Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss a message reminder on Instagram while using your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest Instagram update, enabling notifications for message reminders is quick and easy. Let's walk through the steps together so you can stay on top of your conversations, right from your desktop. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Instagram.com. Log into your account as usual. Once you're on the main page, take a look at the menu on the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see several icons. Click on your profile icon to access your personal settings. Now that you're in your profile, look for the notifications option in the menu. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a page where you can control all your Instagram alerts and preferences. This is where you can fine-tune exactly what notifications you want to receive. Next, find and select Push Notifications. This section lets you decide which types of alerts will pop up on your desktop, so you never miss anything important. Scroll down until you see the Message Reminders section. Here's where you can customize who you want to receive message reminders from. To make sure you get notified every time someone sends you a message, choose the option labeled From Everyone. This setting ensures that no message slips through the cracks, whether it's from friends, family, or new connections. And that's it. You've now enabled message reminder notifications for Instagram on your PC. With these settings, you'll always be in the loop and ready to respond, even if you're away from your phone. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends who might also want to stay updated on their Instagram messages. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy staying connected with your community on Instagram.